Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for David in Los Angeles, California. And here we have throttle body that came from the S-Class W140. And the bench test video, basically. Just want to show you the readouts, and I just have to finish this unit. It will be ready to be mailed out. The only thing I have to do is just double check internals after a long bench test, and off it should go. I mean, it will be ready to go. Okay, so overall look, the unit cleaned off extremely well, and that's without harsh chemicals or anything. This just very nice clean unit, so I didn't even have to brush it off. California, you can tell, you know, it's just came clean very nicely. But there were a couple of issues with the unit. The wires were totally dust. There was nothing left from them. Just want to show you the temperature, that if it actually picks up, because this battery is super weak. And oh, okay, so as you can see, it's around 117, which is pretty hot. So to compare the other unit, let's say this is just cold unit 75, that's room temperature, so we're almost double, almost double temperature. Not double, like 30% more or something. So anyway, it doesn't matter. So it's very hot, and that's how you check the coils, because they can be sneaky. This unit has been on the bench test for over 20 hours. I just happened to have available bench, so I left it energized for over 20 hours. It's really hot, so this is good. Now, the lever was actually pretty tight. This linkage here was binding, so I had to fix that up. So now it's nice and smooth. It's like very light, as you can see. Activation is fluid. Perfect. And let's take a look at our live readings, what computer sees. So here is the readout. This is idle position, 4.24 and 0.47. Very nice readouts. And let's see micro switches here. Once we open the throttle, they should change their positions, and there they go. And of course, voltages change on potentiometers when throttle linkage is moved. Do not mind these jumping. As you can see, all my videos, they do jump. It's just a computer glitch. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with this unit. The coil is okay. Potentiometer had oil contamination. I washed it all out because it was quite coated. And a reason why I don't close the case yet. Let's see. Let's take a look inside here real quick. That is another reason why I don't. Give me a minute. I'm just gonna open it up. The reason I didn't close it, I just wanted to double check on potentiometer. After I usually do it behind the scene, but okay. This unit is obviously from very hot climate, because as you can see, the color of potentiometer is brown. But yeah, this was good. See, now the surfaces are nice and dry. They were coated pretty badly. But to test potentiometer, I just have to move the lever, but gotta be very careful not to break this. This is very fragile stuff here, and plastic obviously gets old, so you cannot make any mistakes here. This is the brain of the unit. I obviously resoldered terminals just for good measure, and replaced wires, and wires were like extremely bad. They're just horrible. So I guess I'm going to just, now it's basically all ready to go. I'm going to try to attempt to put this in proper location, but I might have to do it off video because I don't want to break potentiometer. This is very finicky here. No, I'm not gonna do it. I might break it. I'll do it off video. One more attempt. Let's see, because I can't see. I have to hold the camera. This is extremely delicate stuff here. See, I got it in, but I got it lined up. But it does not want to latch on. So I missed it. There. All right, so like I said, this is very finicky here. So, and this is basically going to be all. I'm going to get this unit wrapped up and ready to go. Do not want to leave cover open because this is not a good idea. You always have to have at least one bolt just in case. So anyway, but again, activation is great, nice and nice and smooth. No binding on the throttle plate. Gears lubricated. We're all completely dried up. Potentiometer cleaned off. Readouts are good. So we're ready to go. Alright, so this is all for me. This is Victor here at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.